Hey, what's up everybody? In this video, I will be walking you through how to sell the SafeMoon cryptocurrency in just a few simple steps. For this tutorial, we will be using the Trust Wallet. Before we start this video, let me remind you that there are several spots available for this week's free workshop. Teaching people the fastest and easiest way to make $100 to even $1,000 a day with crypto, even as a complete beginner. Check it out on the first link below. With that being said, let's go ahead and get started. The best and quickest way to sell the SafeMoon crypto is through the Trust Wallet. The Trust Wallet is a decentralized wallet that has access to decentralized applications, or dApps for short. Its main goal is to make crypto more accessible with an intuitive and easy-to-understand user interface. We will need to first install the Trust Crypto and Bitcoin wallet, which you can find in the App Store or Google Play Store. All you need to do is search for Trust, and it should come up. When searching for the Trust Wallet, it's important to ensure it's the right app and to watch out for imposter applications on the Google Store. It has over 10 million downloads, for example. And so I know it's the right application I'm trying to install. And I actually already have the Trust Wallet installed on my device. And so I will go ahead and click Open. If this is your first time using the Trust Wallet, you will be asked to create a new wallet and remember a 12-word recovery seed phrase. Or you can think of that as like your password that you will just need to copy and keep in a safe place. This step is very, very important in case you want to import your wallet to other devices. Or if you ever get locked out of the Trust Wallet app, you can use this 12-word recovery phrase to sign back into your wallet and access your crypto. So you see, I've opened up the Trust Wallet and I actually have some SafeMoon in my wallet. I also have some other crypto like Smart Chain BNB, as well as some Ethereum and Cardano, which is another crypto I'm pretty excited about. So now that you are all set up with your Trust Wallet, we are almost ready to sell some SafeMoon. So now we are finally getting to the good part, I promise. We'll be selling some SafeMoon soon. And just a few more steps. Now we'll get to the really fun stuff. So we're going to click this dApps button down here to the right of the wallet. And all my history, you can see I've already been using the PancakeSwap exchange, which we'll be using to sell SafeMoons. But if you don't see it there, what you can do is you can scroll down. And eventually you should see this PancakeSwap. So we're going to go ahead and click that. And while that's loading, what you're probably asking yourself, what is PancakeSwap? PancakeSwap is a new cryptocurrency exchange that uses smart contracts and decentralized technology in order to provide users full control over their funds at all times, no more holding your breath until deposits reach exchanges. And the great thing about using PancakeSwap is the extremely low fees, and all the amazing features and functionality it offers on the Binance Smart Chain. Right now, Ethereum fees are really high. So it's hard to do the swaps on the Ethereum chain. So that's why we're using the Binance Smart Chain. So now that you've went ahead and you've clicked PancakeSwap, and the DApp is opened in the top right, you will need to connect your wallet. And if you'd like, you can set up your profile as well, which you don't really need to do so yet. But as you can see, mine is already connected. And so I'm ready to use the exchange. The exchange should open by default. But if it doesn't, you can just go to this menu tab here in the top left. And under the trade, you should see this exchange, but I already have that selected. And so we're good to go here. And of course, ensure you have swap selected here. In the From field, click on the coin you see there and select SafeMoon from the list. In the To field, click on Select the currency and select BNB, or if you want to sell it into USDT, search for USDT and select it. I'm going to be selling mine into BNB. Another important thing here is to make sure that the slippage is 11%. If it is not 11%, click on Settings at the top and change it to 11. Enter the amount of SafeMoon that you want to sell. It will show you the amount of BNB they are going to get. Then click on Swap SafeMoon. Click on Confirm Swap. But if you do encounter an error, you may need to adjust your slippage fee and increase it. And what do I mean by that? So let's go ahead and click this button here. Here, I think the default is like 0.8. And so you may get an error when trying to sell some SafeMoon there. So, let's go ahead and set it to like 10 or 12. And just keep on raising it until you don't get that error anymore. So once you have increased your slippage fee, go ahead and click swap, click on confirm swap, and finally click on approve. And the transaction will be submitted. Your SafeMoon will be sold, or you will see the money in your Trust wallet as either BNB or USDT if you sold yours into USDT. So hopefully that makes sense. I can answer any questions you have in the comments section below. Let's go ahead and check my wallet. I hope you found this video useful and now you know how to sell the SafeMoon's cryptocurrency. If you have any questions at all, just leave me a comment in the comment section below and I'm more than happy to help you out and answer any questions you might have. And if you want to keep up to date with all my upcoming videos, then make sure you click that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you get notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you for watching and I'll see you soon in some of my other videos.